So what are we doing?
We just made a Barbie and Ken. We're playing dollhouse.
Yeah.
Where we are.
Okay, so this is the girl. This is the bamboo. Look, they have a baby. This is the girl. They're sitting in the little rocking chair, and these two person are talking. And
with the baby. The baby.
Oh, they're touching each other.
Yeah.
Whoa.
And then like that thing.
I thought you were doing like, oh hell no, talk to my hand or whatever.
Well, if you do that, then he's like, bitch, no.
I don't want that baby. I don't want that baby. Take your baby. Take your baby. Nah, you take your baby.
Like why not?
It's cool. Ooh. But we need more love. Show your love. Yeah.
Reunite.
Oh, reunite. Who does this guy look like? No, Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars. Like an afro.
Bruno Mars. Bruno
Oh, where's the stunners?
Stunners.
Bruno Mars.
Big one.
Right here. Oh yeah, Bruno Mars.
Bruno Mars and this chick.
This is Britney Spears.
Britney Spears. And this guy
is Zac Efron. I'm just kidding.
And this one, the blonde version of Vanessa Hudgens.
And that is Ashley Tisdale right there.
Oh, Ashley Tisdale.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And the two cats.
Yep. Oh yep. That's it. That's how they live. In a box of noodle. Okay, we're gonna leave. Look at our toes. I'm just kidding. Okay, say bye, people. Oh. It's so bright here.
Oh snap! Okay. Turn it on. Well, good. I didn't know you were like that.